Hi everybody, this is an overview of our cruise on Ambassador Ambience in April. Well, just a week ago we took our first ever cruise with Ambassador on the ship Ambience to Denmark and to southern Norway. We had an absolutely fabulous time and in future videos you'll see just what we thought of Ambience, what we thought of Ambassador, and the fantastic service we got. The crew were absolutely wonderful. This is just a snippet showing the main pool deck area, and here we see just how smooth the sea was. Certainly the weather and the sea conditions made this a really memorable cruise for us. We're going to look at the wonderful crew members that we found on board, the entertainment, the waiting staff, and everything we experienced. We'll look at the places we visited. Firstly, Skagen in northern Denmark. Next, we visited Denmark's second city, Aarhus, and particularly we went onto the rooftop garden of the Salling department store and got some fantastic views. And as you will see, the weather was again fantastic and very, very kind to us, and we had a great time there. Third port of call was Copenhagen. We moored up at the Langelini terminal, very, very close to where the Little Mermaid was situated, which we passed on the way to the city centre. Through this wonderful park here, past a beautiful church, and ended up in the city centre. We found the Palace Square, where we were surprised to see the guards out on duty, and eventually we saw the changing of the guard. Our final port of call was in southern Norway, in Kristiansand. These are all ports we'd never visited before, and again we had a wonderful time here. The whole itinerary was brilliant. As I said, we'd not visited any of the 4 ports of call before, and we will certainly have to visit again. We absolutely loved it. If you've not gathered already, we loved this cruise. We loved Ambassador, we loved the ship, we loved the ports of call, and it was just a fantastic time for us. And we'll tell you more in the video series that will come out very shortly. But I just wanted to put this out as a taster, and as ever, if you like the video or you're looking forward to more, please subscribe, please share, give it a thumbs up, and I will put out more videos on this wonderful cruise that we had very, very shortly, as soon as I can get round to editing them, and you will see much, much more. Thank you for watching.